Children, your parents look after all the household responsibilities in such a way that you do not have to worry about them. It is because they run the house with a system. Suppose your parents are not at home and you are being given the responsibility to manage the house. It will be a tough job for you to manage the daily works of a house. In the same way, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. This is known as operating system. Windows is an operating system. It is a rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. Let's know more. Windows 8 is the latest version of Windows. First, let us talk about the desktop. When we switch on a computer, Windows starts automatically. The first screen that appears with labeled pictures on it is called desktop. Now let us understand what icons are. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. For give an example. When you go to the kitchen and open a cupboard, you will find various labeled boxes containing different items. The cupboard works like windows and the labeled boxes work like icons. Okay, now we shall talk about the taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It has the start button on the left side and a clock on the right side. The right side of the taskbar is known as notification area. The middle section of the bar shows buttons with a label for each open application. We can activate the application window by clicking on its button on the taskbar. It also allows us to quickly switch between the applications that are open. Now let us talk about the Start button. The Start menu gives you quick access to documents, Windows applications, Windows Help and Support menu and much more. To open the Start menu, bring the mouse pointer on it and press the left mouse button. This is called clicking. Students, Start menu can also be opened by pressing Windows button on the keyboard. Selecting and deselecting icon. Selecting icon. To select an icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. Deselecting icon. To deselect an icon, click away from the icon. The icon will now be displayed in its original form. Selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Selecting adjacent items. Left-click on the first item to be selected. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the Shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Selecting non-adjacent items. Hold down the Control key. Click one by one on each of the items to be selected. This way, you can select the non-adjacent items. Okay, let's now learn how to open a program. Click on the icon which you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open, or double-click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Moving desktop icons. To move an icon from one place to another, follow these steps. Place the pointer on the icon that you want to move. Press and hold down the left mouse button while you move the icon to a new place. This is called dragging. Release the mouse button after dragging the item to a new position. Now we shall learn how to arrange the desktop icons. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy, similarly, you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. To do this, right-click on the blank area of desktop. You will find the list of options. This is called shortcut or context menu. Click on View, Auto Arrange Icons option and see the change. Let us now learn how to change the desktop background. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. You will get a list of options.
Select the Personalize option. The Personalization dialog box will appear.
Click on Desktop Background option.
A new window with multiple images will appear. Select any background from the displayed list. A preview of the selected background will appear on the monitor. After selecting the background, click on Save Changes button and close the dialog box.
Online link. To practice using mouse, visit the site.
Now, let us understand how to change the screensaver. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time. By pressing any key, you can get back to the normal screen again. Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Click on Personalize option from the shortcut menu. The Personalization dialog box will appear. Click on the drop-down arrow in Screensaver section and select Screensaver of your choice. A mini preview of the screensaver will be displayed in the preview box. To watch the preview on full screen, click on the preview button.
Wait for a few seconds and you will get the preview of selected screensaver on full screen.
Move the mouse to come back to the screensaver window. Change the time in wait box as per your need. Use up arrow to increase the time and down arrow to decrease. Click on OK button. Alright, now let me tell you how to shut down your computer.
Shutting down means turning off a computer. To shut down your system, follow the given steps. Click on the Start button. Now select Shut Down button. The system will take a few seconds to shut down.
Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Windows is an operating system that controls and manages the functions of a computer. The labeled pictures on the desktop are known as icons. The Start button gives quick access to documents, windows, applications, help, etc. Screensaver is an image which pops up on the screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time.